I know. Oh, that's so great. It's funny.
Susan!
Yeah. Hold on just a second for me, please. Yeah?
They did it again.
What? They did it again? Oh, come on! Oh, alright. But you know what? That's why I am my own maid. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you the recipe for my green sauce for our Salsa Verde. So what I have here is I have 4 jalapenos, larger jalapenos that I've seeded. Trust me, they're very hot because the seeds were making me sneeze and cough. I have 2 tomatillos. They are smaller size. A half of a white onion. I have a tablespoon of minced jarred garlic. And I have 1 avocado. I'm also going to put in some chicken bouillon and some vegetable oil. So I have about 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Remember, you cannot take ingredients back out, but you can add them in as necessary to your taste and to your liking. So I'm actually going to begin by putting the vegetable oil into the food processor. And then I'm going to add my other ingredients. Here goes a tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to add the pepper, tomato, and onion bowl. Okay, so I've added the seeded peppers. Remember, there are 4 large jalapeno peppers, a half of a white onion, and a tablespoon of garlic in there, as well as 2 small tomatillos. Okay, and here I have we like the Knorr brand of the chicken bouillon. And this is about a teaspoon or so. I know you're going, why would you add chicken bouillon? Well, it adds a lot of flavor, so we like it. And then the last thing I'm gonna throw in here is about 1/4 of a bunch of cilantro. And then I'm just gonna give it a nice blend. Okay, so see, when I am looking on the inside, I can tell that I need a little bit more vegetable oil. Remember I said we could add things in, but we couldn't take them out. So I'm gonna add a little bit more vegetable oil. This is what it looks like. I added about 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil to the blend to help smooth it out more. Now I'm going to give it a tiny taste test. Remember, make this to your family's liking. If you don't like some of the ingredients or someone has an allergy to them, you can play with it and change up the recipe. Okay guys, so I wound up adding a little bit of kosher salt, about a teaspoonful, but this is the finished green sauce and my taste testers approve. Try this recipe out. Comment below if you tried it and if your family enjoyed it.